What do a bottle of water, a pair of glasses, a mobile phone, a pocket organizer, an armchair, landing gear, and a car headlamp have in common? Like many of the other things around us and the things we use every day, they are all made of plastic moldings, castings, metal pressings or machined parts. These parts come in a large number of shapes. Shapes of varying complexity are born in the imagination of creators and then produced with the help of machine tools that are capable of machining accurately in 3 and 5 axes the required mold, die or part in the appropriate material. These machines, or rather the company that designs and manufactures such very high-performance machines, are what we are about to see. It is here near Strasbourg that Huron machining and milling centres are made. A fine workshop, and quiet too, considering that machine tools are manufactured here. The factory has retained its human dimension, and the people who work here are clearly committed to their trade. Visitors cannot fail to see that when they come here. Of course, they are offered refreshments here as elsewhere, but the difference lies chiefly in our responsiveness to the customer's needs.
In this machine,
by definition, a customer is someone who comes to us with a problem. Huron's role is to provide solutions that meet the most critical specifications and offer machines and equipment that are perfectly suited to the stated needs. We owe our ability to find such solutions to our long experience. Huron has over 100 years of experience in this field and has a high reputation. In the assembly workshop, the operators work precisely and accurately, which is only normal, as we work to a precision of 1/1000th of a millimeter. All the dimensions of strategic parts are checked on the bench in the metrology workshop. Only then are they passed for assembly. But let us leave the workshops and make a small detour to a place with restricted access, the Research and Development Department. This is where the machines that are assembled in the workshops are conceived. Today, the employees are working on new projects, but that is all we will be told at this stage, for these are closely guarded secrets.
you can see that the structural part.
But then there are so many other things we can explore in the company. Look at this machine, for instance. This is a KX10 to be precise. Speed and precision are the characteristics of this series. Parts can be rough and finish machined at great speeds. Here, for instance, the spindle RPM is 24,000 with a feed speed of 7 meters per minute. And here is another typical machine, the KX8. It offers a cost-effective solution for machining small parts. It works at impressively high speeds, moving at 50 meters per minute and can accelerate by 5 meters per second squares. A regular Formula 1 machine. Machines of the extreme, the K2X series. Here is a K2X85 in action, finishing a reproduction of the famous Ferdinand Möbius ribbon. A nice exercise of accuracy in 5-axis machining. His big sister, the K2X15. Capable of working in continuous 5 axes, this machine is remarkable for its execution speed and for its very high machining quality. For high capacities, here is the KX50. With its 1000 by 2200 mm table, and its machining capacity on 5 sides in 5 axes, the KX100 complies perfectly to the specific requirements of the automobile and aeronautics sectors. Even bigger and more impressive, the KX100. Its 1250 by 2500 mm table, birotary head and federate of 40 meters per minute enable it to combine power and accuracy in manufacturing large dimension parts. Here is a record-breaking machine, the KXG45. Its secret? The linear motor, a technology enabling very high dynamics during acceleration and deceleration with high federates in 5 axes and on 5 sides. These are ready to embark on a long voyage. Here is one which is bound for the USA, where it will be used to make automobile component molds. Every month, some 20 machines leave for destinations around the world. Often, the new machines are no strangers to their future users, who have been closely following their manufacture from the time the order was placed. Training courses enable the customer's operators to learn to use and program the machines.
Here you have the power cut and you have the torque here. So the difference.
All steps are taken to help users to have full control over operating the machines.
Good
morning, this is Donato from INTA.
Good morning, Donato.
But if an unusual incident were to occur in Rockford, Illinois tomorrow, the customer can contact the remote assistance specialists at the click of a mouse and get help to solve the problem.
First of all, for checking the input, push the soft key, start up.
For the personnel in the Huron Grafenstaden facility, designing and manufacturing high-performance machine tools is a daily commitment. Come and see for yourself. We will be delighted to have you.